Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Saturday noon, 12 p.m. right now, 12 p.m. right now. Um, this morning, I decided to uh, do some jobs as well. Like, my weekly target is to like flip 680 bucks, but I will find a quick way because now I am like to get the products, like to keep it continuous. Now, what happened is I had a Facebook, and Facebook is starting to block if you don't have a phone number. I use the online number all the time. Now I am blocked using marketplace. If I don't use Facebook marketplace, I cannot make my sales. So I had to go to job and get the product, and also get the real number, get the real phone number, and had to sell stuff on Facebook marketplace, Kijiji, Let Go, eBay, and also if it become big, Amazon. Also go to Amazon. So also I'm thinking about to make it faster, going to a job and getting some extra money. And after 680 reached, I will make 8 prank videos, and then start again. Start again. That's how I'm gonna target. Let's see how it's gonna go. And that's about it today. This morning, I was trying to reach 1000 subscribers. Almost 110 hours reached. I have to reach 4000 hours in that channel to get monetized. 1000 subscribers is gonna come quickly, but I had to. The easy way to get the watch time is to make a video popular, or just keep trying to get the more subscribers, so I will get the view times as well. That's how I'm gonna go, but I had to be patient. I had to wait for a while, and yeah, I'm not in a hurry even. And that's how all. And today I'm gonna buy this bus pass, that GTA bus pass, so I can travel Mississauga, Brampton, Toronto, and also what is that? This is a wagon. Everywhere where I can travel with the one card. I'm gonna buy that. I make sure I register it with pairs-brest, so I don't, even if I don't lose the card, I will get the money. And that's the update today. That's all about it today. See, okay, I forgot to tell the topic. Topic is, there's a concept called dinner before dessert. But if you find out, it's all about process, because people consider dessert as something, when you reach something you celebrate, that's the dessert. But if you, it's all about process, like that's like you reach something, then you celebrate. That's not a good lifestyle. You have to find what you love, so it's always going to be dessert. You eat dessert all the time, so you don't have another dessert you reach at the end or something like that. It's dessert all the time. That's what happens. It's all process, man. There's no end result. Like, just focus on the process, no end results. Don't try to celebrate the success or certain things. It's all just process. You have to just love the process and keep on going, forever. That's all about it. See you guys later.